In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI chatbot inside GoHighLevel. This process will make your business interactions more efficient, enabling seamless communication with your clients across various platforms. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to log into your GoHighLevel account. Once you're in, choose the sub-account where you want your chatbot to be active. This setup ensures all your chatbot activities are isolated to the specific branch or campaign you're managing. Next, it's crucial to connect your communication channels. Your AI chatbot needs these to interact with users effectively. Go to the Settings menu and click on Integrations. Here, you'll link your Facebook and Instagram for direct messages, Google My Business for chats around your business profile, or install the website chat widget for interactions with site visitors. This integration ensures your chatbot can automatically engage prospects or clients wherever they choose to reach you. Now head over to the Conversations AI or AI Settings section. In 2025, GoHighLevel introduced Conversation AI in most accounts. Under Settings, navigate to Conversation AI or AI Configurations, depending on your layout, and make sure to enable AI responses. Here, you can configure your chatbot's tone, knowledge base, and response rules, tailoring it to mirror your brand's voice and message style. Moving on, it's time to train your chatbot. In the Conversation AI section, you'll find the training data area where you can upload your frequently asked questions, brand tone, writing style, and example responses. The more clear and comprehensive instruction you feed it, the better it will perform. You can also provide additional resources like website texts, product descriptions, and scripted answers to refine its conversational skills further. Once trained, adjust your chatbot's behavior and rules. Within the Conversation AI settings, you can set the confidence threshold, determining how certain the bot must be before it proceeds with a response. Additionally, configure fallback messages like, "Let me connect you with a team member," for situations when it's uncertain, along with tailored replies for business hours or a specific AI personality to align with your brand. To harness the full potential of your AI, connect it to a workflow for automation. Go to Automation and select Workflows, then start a new one by clicking Create Workflow. Add triggers such as customer replied or form submitted, and for actions, choose to send an AI response. Enhance this with tasks like tagging a contact, sending an SMS, adding to a pipeline, or booking an appointment to ensure smooth customer interactions. If you want your AI to be part of your website experience, adding a chat widget is optional but beneficial. Access the Sites section, then the chat widget area to personalize its look and feel. Once set, embed the code into your website's head section or the settings custom code of your funnel, allowing your AI chatbot to engage directly with site visitors. Testing your chatbot is essential. Visit your Facebook page, website, or chat widget and send test messages like, "What are your business hours?" or "Can I book a call?" to ensure it responds accurately, aligns with your tone, and follows the correct workflow. Finally, keep an eye on its performance by visiting the AI inbox under Conversations. Here, you'll see how effectively it handles inquiries and identify improvements. Consider integrating with OpenAI for custom AI logic, which expands the bot's capabilities, optimizing lead qualification, form completion, and personalized upsells. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to building an AI chatbot inside GoHighLevel.